Hello everyone, welcome to Abode Ideas. Today I'm going to talk about a free-spirited design style, that is Bohemian or Boho design style. Boho design style mixes different cultures and creates an eclectic style. It emphasizes on organic elements and textures. Bohemian style is about mixing different patterns, textures and materials. Boho style is inspired by the culture of different parts of the world. You can see influence of Africa, Morocco, India, and amalgamation of different design styles is quite prominent in Boho. This mix of culture is the perfect display of Bohemian free spirit. Furniture made of natural materials like wood, bamboo, and rattan is common in Boho spaces. Wicker chairs, baskets are part of Boho design style. Mix of vintage, mid-century or repurposed pieces can be seen in Boho homes. Floor cushions, poofs and bean bags add the much needed comfortable and relaxed sitting arrangement. Boho colors often include earthy tones like terracotta, brown, olive green and mustard yellow. Bright tones like emerald green, fuchsia and sapphire blue are also used. Pops of color and accent jewel tones complement the earthy tones of Boho color palette. Boho does not follow strict rules of design. In this design style, pieces are put together in such a way that it does not disturb the balance and harmony but creates a zone of your own, reflecting your personality. Boho design style uses a lot of natural materials. Layering of materials creates visual interest. Layering of rugs, pillows, throw blankets are highlights of Boho homes, and that creates a unique and comfortable space. In Boho design style, lanterns, string lights, rattan lamps and candles are often used to create a magical ambience. Different sources of lights are placed at different levels to create a warm and cozy space. Huge windows with sheer curtains or no curtains allow the flow of natural light into the room to create an airy and relaxed atmosphere. In Boho homes, accessories are mostly handmade and in natural materials. Items made of stone, wood, jute are used to give a personal touch. Thrifted pieces, DIY macrame wall hangings or pottery add the personal touch. Fabrics like cotton, linen, jute, silk, muslin, chenille are used for furnishing in Boho design style. Cane, wood, jute, distressed furniture pieces or a vintage item can be a part of a Boho home. Boho design tells a story. It's unconventional, timeless, imaginative and creative. Plants are an integral part of Boho design style. No Boho house is complete without plants. Hanging plants, succulents, cactus and large leafy plants like monstera or fiddle leaf can be kept in a Boho home. The Boho style is a blend of different styles and creates its own. It borrows elements like motifs, patterns, color palette, and materials from different cultures and design styles and combine with vintage, rustic, and ethnic and modern pieces to create a new distinct look. Boho design is young, free-spirited, and rental-friendly. This style allows you to play around with your concept as this design style does not have fixed rules. Since it's free-spirited, you can constantly discover new things and think out of the box to make your space unique. If you have liked the video, then don't forget to press the like button and do consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.